So what are your thoughts on AI altogether? Do you feel like it is sending us into a deep depression? Are we in a depression? I've stated on another video, anytime you take the elderly's medical and benefits, that is most definitely a depression. So I want you guys' thoughts on AI. Do you feel like it is hurting the U.S. economy? It's because we are very, very spoiled. And I want to bring this up because tens of thousands of employees from the IRS. And my question to you again is, how do you feel like this is going to affect people who owe the IRS? Whether you owe the IRS, your mom, your sister, your cousin, your friend, how do you feel like this is going to affect the IRS locating them? I want to hear from you. You guys let me know what's your thought. Do you know somebody who has already had their wages garnished? I speak on it all the time, the 3 different services. A lot of people are confused about the services. Tax preparation, tax planning, tax strategies, tax resolution, tax debt relief. Those are 3 different services, because I get the question all the time. Why do I owe so much in taxes? Where's my money going? The more money I make, the more I have to pay in taxes. And they complain. Why does Donald Trump not pay taxes? But when I tell them, and they're not familiar with it, they feel like that somebody's doing something illegal. Leave in the comments if you grew up in a blue-collar home. They were told, graduate from high school, go to college, and get a good federal job. That was the la creme of the la creme. And I grew up in the projects and low income. My PhD, project housing development certificate, from learning that the government don't care. They pass out cheese and butter and bread, old bread, to low income families. I stood in line for it. I know this for a fact. For women who may have had mental health issues and they had to end up in the projects. Maybe they had a good job and they lost it. Maybe they were abused and they were running from their abuser and they had to get a divorce and they didn't have the money. So, a lot of people look down on those beautiful women that were in the projects, and it wasn't that they were bums or anything. It's just life happened. And we're going to see a lot of this coming back. So I'm having this conversation with you guys. I want you to talk to me. Let me know your thoughts on this. How is AI going to affect this? Because maybe you had a good government job and now you may have to, live a life that you didn't know about. And it's always been this war between federal workers and entrepreneurs, which I have all kind of clients. It doesn't matter to me if you owe the IRS, I'm going to get you out of trouble the best I can. So it doesn't matter if you work a job, you own a business, I got you. But I want to know your thoughts on this. I want to know your thoughts. So we're going to see more people in the projects, low income. People going to lose their job more with AI. What's going to happen to the people who owe the IRS? So if you owe the IRS more than $25,000, give us a call. Give us a call at 877-373-2651. That is 877-37-DREAM. If you're ready and you don't have a bunch of time, go to peaceofmindresults.com, peaceofmindresults.com. Fill out the application and let's just get started. However, if you look, I know I owe the IRS, I haven't got a letter yet, I know it's a lot of money, I need some help, and you need a break. I didn't say a vacation, I said a break. I want you to go to healingmyfinances.com. That is healingmyfinances.com. And join us on our tax debt relief island retreats. Again, that is our tax debt relief island retreats, where we help individuals, women, entrepreneurs, nurses, medical professionals, hairstylists, realtors. We help them on a beautiful island deal with their tax debt relief. We have one-day retreats in your city, in the comfort of your city, over a delicious meal in a beautiful environment. And we have our tax debt island retreats, and we actually have one coming up in Aruba. And we have less than a month to get our tickets and join us on our tax debt relief island retreat in Aruba at the end of November. Go to healingmyfinances.com to special prayer for the people in Jamaica. God bless you guys. I have set up something on my page area on healing my finances for Jamaica. Anything that we receive is going to go directly to Jamaicans, not through an organization. When we had our last retreat there in September of 2025, we met some beautiful people and we stayed in contact with them. So this is going to go to a Jamaican, a native Jamaican. So shout out to the people that took care of us when we were in Jamaica. They made sure we were very taken care of. So I want to do the best that I can for them. So you can go to healingmyfinances.com. It's going to say Jamaica on the tab. Hit that tab and donate. It's just devastating. I just can't believe we were just there, and I'm seeing everything on the news, and I said, well, what can I do? I said, put this on your website, and we've canceled everything, of course, for Jamaica coming up, but I just wanted to throw that in there. But let us know what you think about AI. How is it going to play with people who go to IRS? How is it going to play out with people who have federal jobs and they have never been on any type of assistance? How is that going to play out? Thank you for taking this ride with me. This is Jacqueline, Strictly Business. I love you, and remember, the best credit to have is with yourself. Give yourself credit, and of course, God. I love you.